Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I have seen a lot of people making a wood cutting machine using 775 motor. I also thought of giving it a try since I already have a 775 motor with me. In this video, I'll show how I made, and at the end we'll see the result. Additionally, I have bought this coupler for cutting blade. A wood cutting blade, and also using some wood pieces. I'll be mounting this motor on this base plate and also making a groove here for this blade. I'm mounting this motor with the help of bolts. And this is how I have made a handle using aluminum and wood piece. Which goes here. I'll be mounting this push button switch here. And for the supply, I'm using this round pin connector. And just for the safety purpose, I'll be adding this plastic pipe end cap to cover the blade. Finally, this is how it looks. After testing, the end results were not good. The motor was struggling to cut the wooden sheet, but I'm able to cut this plastic pipe. I have also seen people changing the winding of the motor to increase the power. Maybe in that case, this can give good results. So from this video you can get the clear conclusion. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.